This is Introduction to Autodesk Civil 3D Part 1. Tool Space window. This introduction will cover navigating to working environment, user interface, drawing area, the panels. The tab have many panels, having palettes for ground data, create design, profile and section views, draw. Each tab has the required panels. The home tab, insert tab, annotate tab, modify tab, analyze tab, view tab I have kept for knowing the properties of objects, the layer toolbar, command search option where a help for any command is readily available. Example, I have taken just a line command. This is a properties window. From the panel of palettes, I will off my tags for setting survey prospector. Again, bringing front the toolbox, survey, setting and prospector. Prospector is the window where all the design data is available and that can be manipulated. All the design data, the points, surfaces, alignments. The Civil 3D is a very vast design program. I will open a file. File can be opened from the Quick Access toolbar or from the Civil 3D application menu. The application menu has all the basic commands for creating a new file. Drawing utilities, units and zones for coordinate system, transformation, object layers and ambient settings for the file. I will open a help file. My Civil 3D tutorial file is a folder where help files are there. These files are readily available from the official Autodesk website for Civil 3D, where the help file can be downloaded along with the application or from a help file also exists separately. There are a complete tutorial set of folder and these are available for free to all. I will just showing the help tutorial. I have just opened a alignment 1 drawing. I will create a new alignment. The alignment layout tool is available. I will select the first one for tangent type of alignment. I will begin an alignment, selecting from existing points. Next I will insert a free curve fillet type. selecting first tangent, second tangent and curve radius. I will create another alignment from a tangent with curve option. Panorama window for data alignment. I will open another file for points 1a. I will import point from a point database file. Point data can be viewed from Prospector. These points are Kogo type points, which can be modified easily. Panorama window, point editor. Next is the surface 1b file having surface display options, surface styles, thanking you